Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to choose your sport on Strava. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to Strava, and here you can see the record option. Click on that. And for me is the main sport is running, but you can choose other sports if you click on the shoe icon, and here you have a lot of options like running, riding, walking, hiking, canoe, e-bike ride, hand cycle, velomobile, ice skate, and so on and so forth, workout for example. And so you can close this, or you can choose this this icon for the workout. It says near the workout is that this is the current sport, but you can select from the list whenever you want. So this is for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a very beautiful day. Bye bye.